Hello everyone. Today we're just gonna see the concept of sparse matrix. First of all, what is matrix? Matrix is a two-dimensional array. We're just seeing it from the data structure point of view. Matrix is a two-dimensional array where it consists of m rows and n columns. Sparse matrix is also a matrix which consists of m rows, n columns, and the elements in the sparse matrix are, most of the elements in the sparse matrix are 0. There are only few elements which are not equal to 0 in the sparse matrix. For an example, the sparse matrix looks like this: 0, 0, where you could see most of the elements in the matrix are equal to 0. So this is how the sparse matrix looks like. So how do we represent this sparse matrix in memory? There are two ways of representing it. First one is array representation and the next one is linked list representation. Okay, so we're just going to represent only the non-zero elements. Okay, we're not going to represent the zero elements, we're just going to represent only the non-zero elements. Okay, so first one, we just see how does the array representation looks like. Okay, so I'll just take up I have a row value, column value and the value of the matrix. Okay. So this is called column and this is row. So I'll number my rows 0, 1, 2 and my columns as well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I just see where are the non-zero elements present. So in the row, in the 0th row and in my second column, there is a non-zero element called 3. So in my 0th row and second column, the value is present, that is 3. Okay, and again in the 0th row and in my 4th column, a value is present called 4. And again, in my first row and in my second column, a value is present called 5. And again in my first row and in my 4th column, a value is present and the value number is 7. That's it. Yeah. So in my second row, all the values are 0. So need not have to represent it. So this is how the array representation looks like. Okay. How does the linked list representation looks? So first I will define the node structure. So first I will give a row number, column number, value, then address to next node. This is how the linked list representation looks like. In linked list, we just represent the elements by using a node. So how do I represent here? First one is row value is 0. Second one is column value is 2. And the value is 3, then address to the next node. Okay, now I am representing this one. The row value is 0, the column value is 4 and the value present here is 4, then address to the next node. I am representing this one. The row is 1, the column value is 2 and the value actually present is 5, then address to the next node. Okay, and the last one, the row value is 1, the column value is 4 and the value present in that particular number is 7, then the address to the next node will not be there since it is a null pointer. It's terminated with a null pointer. This is how it looks like, the sparse matrix. Hope everyone would have understood it. So, thank you all.